Generation of PSK modulation and demodulation. PSK is the phase shift keying shifted. The phase shift keying is a digital modulation techniques in which phase of the carrier signal is changed by varying the sine wave or cosine wave inputs at particular time is called as a phase shift keying. Phase shift keying techniques is widely used for wireless communication and local area network, and also nowadays we are given the attendance in the biometric devices, and also contactless operations where is PSK techniques along with the RFID and also Bluetooth communications. And PSK of the two types depending upon the phase of the signals get shifted. Phases will be shifted the information through a long distance. Through the long distance and binary phase shift keying is BPSK. This is also called as the two-phase PSK or phase reverse keying techniques. Sine wave sine wave carrier takes two phases reversals. Phase reversal. Phases are 0 degrees and 180 degrees phase shift. Bipolar phase shift keying is basically double sideband suppressed carrier modulation scheme for message being in digital information. And quadrature phase shift keying QPSK. This is the phase shift keying techniques in which the sine wave carrier takes four phases of reversal such as 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and 180 degrees and 270 degrees phase shift. In this kind of techniques are further extended, and PSK can be done by 8 or 16 values also depending upon the requirements. And further BPSK bipolar phase shift key modulator. The block diagram of binary phase shift key consisting of balanced modulator which has the carrier sine wave as one input and the binary sequence as the other input. The block diagram binary phase shift keying consisting of modulator which has the carrier sine wave as one input and the binary sequence as the other inputs. BPSK is a double-sided band BPSK modulator carrier wave generator. Carrier will be produced by oscillator and balanced modulator. Another waves we have given to the input data is a binary sequence of data, digital data, that can be modulated with the balanced modulator. The phase shift are shifted. Phase shift wave phases are 90 degrees, 180 degrees. If it is the 0 degrees AC cos of cos of omega CT plus CT 1 bit is 0 degrees phase shift, and another one is phase shift is shifted AC into cos of omega CT 0 degrees phase shift is if a 1 bit transmitted either treated as 0 degrees. The 0 bit will be phase angle of 180 degrees, means AC into cos of omega CT plus 180 degrees. In this fashion, we have to shifted the information carrier will be shifted according to the binary data, and the modulation of shift keying is done by using balanced modulator, which multiples the two signals applied at the input. For a zero binary input, the phases will be 0 degrees, and for high input, the phase reversal is 180 degrees. 180 degrees, and the following is the democratic representation of binary phase shift keying modulated output wave along with its input. As shown in figure, 1 bit is starting at 0 degrees phase shift. After 0 will be shifted 180 degrees, phase is reversal, and next will be transmitted the 1 bit, again it will be 0 degrees, and next bit is transmitting the 0 and 180 degrees phase shift, and again 1 bit is transmitted, it is with a 0 phase shift. In this fashion, whole data will be shifted. The output of sine wave of the modulator will be directly input carried out and inverted into 180 degrees phase shift, and 180 degrees phase shift input carries, which is a function of the data signal. The block diagram of BPSK demodulator, binary phase shift keying with carrier, it will be shifted band pass filter, and detector, the output of the binary with carrier, again we have to demodulate high frequency carrier. By first stage you have to band pass filtering the signal escape bipolar phase shift keying demodulator out. After detector, the bit is a clock. Clock will be synchronous to detect the whole information, and we have to second stage. We have to get this binary data. We have to get this binary data. Detector is binary data. We have to, and binary data. By recovering the band limited message signal with the help of mixer circuit, the band pass filter first stage of demodulation is completed. The baseband signal, which is band limited, obtained, and the signal is used to generate the binary message bit stream. In the next stage of demodulation, the bit clock rate is needed at the detector circuit to produce the original binary message signal. If the bitrate the submultiple of the carrier frequencies, then bit clock generator is specified and simplified. To make the circuit easily understanding, decision making circuit may also be inserted at the second stage detection. The advantage of PSK. This type of PSK allows the information to be carried with the radio communication signal more efficiently compared with frequency shift keying. Quadrature phase shift keying, another kind of data transmission where four phase states are utilized all in the 90 degrees of one another. It is less valuable fault when it is evaluated with the ASK modulation occupies similar bandwidth like amplitude shift keying. By using this, the high transmission data rate can be attained with the help of high-level PSK modulator like quadrature phase shift keying, 16-bit QAM, and quadrature phase shift keying significance 2 bit for each constellation, and 16-bit QAM significance 2 bit for each constellation diagram. Disadvantage of PSK: the bandwidth is efficiently of the PSK is less compared to the ASK type of modulator. It is a non-coherent reference signal. By estimating the phase stage of the signal, the binary information can be decoded. Algorithms like recovery and detections are extremely difficult. Algorithms like recovery and detection are extremely difficult. High-level PSK modulator like QPSK 16-bit QAM is more sensitive to phase differences. It generates a wrong demodulation as the default can combine with time. Because of the reference signal of demodulator is not fixed. And applications of the PSK, it is used in biometric and wireless LAN networks and WAN networks, and also wireless communication, and also used in Bluetooth, RFDs and local oscillators, optical communication, multi-channel, WDM wavelength division multiplexing, and also delay and add demodulator circuits, nonlinear effect for wide division multiple transmission. These all are the various signals or applications. Many applications are used in PSK technology.